Okay, hey folks, Terry Brown here. I've got some exciting information I'm going to share with you, so stay around for the next couple of minutes. Find out how you can blast your ads to 30,000 people per month for free. Okay, you got a business, product, service, you want a business, then you need to see what I'm going to share with you. So hang around for the next couple of minutes. And I'm going to share some information with you, okay? Okay, as we talked about just a little while ago, you can blast your ads to 30,000 people per month for free. Absolutely true, okay? Use our new Solo Email Blaster system. Now look at this. 50,000 visitors to your websites, 100,000 safe lists email credits, 10,000 traffic exchange credits, 25,000 advertising views, okay? And you can get started now, and guess what? It's free, okay? Now, let's look at this together. Here's a bonus. Receive absolutely free, proven traffic strategies, ultra popular money-making products and recommendations. Another bonus, 10,000 visitors, 5,000 banner exposures, 5,000 text ad exposures, free from Traffic Center. Okay, another bonus, you get 50,000 Safe Lists email credits, free from our Safe List Extreme Safe List. Okay, another bonus, you get 20,000 advertising credits free from our traffic ad links, solo list and ad board system. Another bonus, you get 20,000 advertising credits free from our ultimate safe list exchange system. Another bonus, you get 20,000 advertising credits free from our Dragon safe list system. Okay. And if you want to make money, then as people look for other advertising ideas and systems, it's all in here. There used to be a commercial years ago. It was called, the product was Ragu, and everything you wanted in a nice spaghetti sauce was in Ragu. Well, everything you want in an advertising marketing program is here, okay? And if you look up here, it says 20% commissions on membership referrals, okay? Because, you know, there are systems and there are products and services here where you can make money, okay? Now, this happens to be free, but we've got some other low-cost, nice things that's going to help people to share their products, their service, their business opportunity as well, okay? So you can look up here, 80% commission on reseller products, 100% commission on PLR products. I tell you something, it's like Ragu, okay? It's in here. So I'm going to leave the link in the description area of this video so that you can go directly to blast your ads to 30,000 per month free. So the link will be there. Also, I want to share this with you real quick and then we're out. Okay, now also join my Make Money Online and Personal Growth newsletter, okay? And I would highly encourage you to do that, okay? Now, there's no cost to sign up, excuse me, and you can unsubscribe at any time, okay? You're going to learn about my perfect side hustle opportunity, okay? Information is going to be in the newsletter, all right? And it's low cost and potentially very high profit business, okay? You're also going to learn about my online store, which currently contains over 350 unique products, okay? And there's various types of products like personal care items, dietary supplements, beauty, health, and hair products, pet products, electronics, and gadgets, and more, okay? And so you'll learn about all of these things, plus some other advertising, marketing ideas, and we cover also things like mindset development and things like inspirational stuff and motivational stuff. It's just it's just a great newsletter to be a part of. Okay, and so I'm going to leave the link to that as well. But there you have it for this video, guys. I'm Terry Brown. I'm checking out. Wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye bye now.